Welcome to channel. In this video we are going to learn about Hindi meaning words, and these words are very useful words which we use on daily basis. So let's start with the first one. So first one is sleep, which is sona. Wake up, jagna. Stand, खड़ा होना. Sit, बैठना. Come, आना. Smile, मुस्कुराना. Laugh, हंसना. Shout, चिल्लाना. Scream, चीखना. Okay, so now these smile, laugh, shout, scream, these are very common words, but there is a technical difference in this, so we should remember what is the meaning of smile and all these. Next is learn. Learn means सीखना. Ask, पूछना. Say, कहना. Tell, बताना. Cheat, धोखा देना. पुश, धक्का देना या ढकेलना. पुल, खींचना. प्ले, खेलना. अलाइव, जिंदा या जीवित, वी कैन से बोथ. स्टे, ठहरना. फाइंड, पाना या ढूंढना. बाय, खरीदना. गिव, देना. टेक, लेना. बीट, पीटना. विन, जीतना. Thanks for watching the channel.